The build up to the Division 2, like, it's a national title. So we weren't used to winning. We went out to win that game. Donegal went out to win that game. The Marker for the Ulster Championship. Now, Division 1's a bit different because we don't know what training block these two counties have. Do you know, Jim's another 3 weeks here.
Mhm.
He wasn't afforded that last year. Has he took the foot off the pedal? Did he want to be in this final? Who knows? Do you know what I mean? Because he did rest a few players in round 5, round 6. Picked up a few injuries. I would say Kerry are probably the more happier in getting the game. I don't think Jim was bothered whatsoever, just based on his team selection in the last few rounds.
It's really hard to know how both teams think about it in terms of, right, Donegal are going there now in the league final, and everybody's thinking Kerry didn't want to get there, Kerry don't want to show that. It's nearly the opposite. The Donegal want to show how they're going to defend. Do they want to give Paddy Clifford 70 minutes, even though he's not fit and playing at the minute?
Yeah.
But if he was there, do they want to give him 70 minutes of work on Finbar Rorty out as much as potentially the other way around? And then you're into shadow box, and then you're absolutely into sort of, you know, obviously I don't think anybody's ever gone out to play a game of football and not won it. You go out the back of the houses and at 6 o'clock when you're 11-year-old and you want to win the game of football you're playing, but how much you put into that and how much you're willing to show the opposition is probably where the league finals fall down.